Absolutely.
All right, let's go into another trade here. As investors continue to study Fed Chair Jerome Powell's comments, another crypto rout is taking place. Bitcoin has fallen below $20,000, dragging the rest of the crypto market down with it, and across the board. So we're showing the cryptocurrency prices there here in the early going, but also seeing pressure under Riot Blockchain, a lot of other crypto exposed names as well, as those Powell comments not only causing a pullback in risk in stocks and in equity markets globally, but also risk assets, highly risky assets such as Bitcoin.
Yeah, and the entire crypto space is essentially annexed to the thinking of a growth stock, if you will, or just a growth sector. And particularly what we have to remember is that when we have an environment of rising rates or hiring rates, that can actually impact, if you're looking at this from the tech perspective, it impacts the ability for businesses to maintain some of those cash flows. And that's certainly been the case within crypto, where you've had some firms need to be bailed out at this point in time because either they have Bitcoin on their balance sheet or they're seeing some type of pullback in the number of people who are actually buying into crypto right now, and even in the sell-off and the liquidation of some of those crypto positions. And so with all of that in mind, if you're looking at this and kind of annexing the same type of tech correlation that we had seen on the run up over the past couple of weeks, then on the way down, you're also going to see something extremely similar, which is just what we saw on Friday. We're seeing that again over the weekend. And as you were mentioning earlier, the crypto markets wish they probably could close on the weekends. But as is the case right now, we're seeing crypto down year to date, or Bitcoin down year to date by about 58%. Don't even get us started on the number of NFTs that have seen that market just absolutely.
Oh, I thought that's how GameStop was going to sell itself, or just really get, NFT, big marketplace there. But look, Coinbase, Robinhood shares under pressure too as well here with this crypto route. This is the last thing those companies need. These companies are amidst major turmoil, laying off large sums of their workforce. It is hard to imagine any, that changes or there's any bottom in that situation as long as crypto prices are below 20,000.
Well, and what it comes back to is the number of different retailers or even just the number of partners that would be willing to accept crypto in the future to continue to add viability to the ability for it to have some type of transaction, some transactional value. And as of right now, who is going to stick their neck out there and say, even at a time like this, yeah, we'll still accept.
I got a name for you. It should be Gap Interim CEO Bob Martin. We're going to continue our thread from Friday right in here and the Bob Martin narrative come on here. If he takes that crypto, I'd be a buyer of Gap.
All right, he's getting a new moniker there, Bitcoin Bobby, I suppose, if he does make an announcement to that end. We'll see.